Hi dear students, welcome back. Last time we have to show our palm. A, E, I, O, U. We have done A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, and the last one is U sound. Let's begin. Today we are going to learn U sound words. U says sun, S-U-N, sun. Fun, F-U-N, fun. This was unsound. Now we are going to do up sound. K-up, cup, C-U-P, cup. P-up, pup, P-U-P, pup. Now we are going to do ud sound. B-U-D, bud, B-U-D, bud. M-U-D, mud, M-U-D, mud. Now we are going to do ug sound. B-U-G, bug, B-U-G, bug. R-U-G, rug, R-U-G, rug. Let's meet more U sound families. Un, up sound. H-M, hum. P-M, pum. M-M, mum. S-M, some. G-M, gum. Unsound. B-N, bun. N-N, none. F-N, fun. P-N, pun. G-N, gun. Up sound. D-Up, dup. T-Up, tup. S-Up, sup. P-Up, pup. K-Up, cup. We have up sound, ug sound, ut sound. R-U-B, rub. D-U-B, dub. T-U-B, tub. H-U-B, hub. K-U-B, cub. Ug sound. M-U-G, mug. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. L-U-G, lug. J-U-G, jug. Ut sound. J-U-T, jut. N-U-T, nut. H-U-T, hut. K-U-T, cut. B-U-T, butt. So that's it. See you next time. Practice all the vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. We have done all the sound words. Now it's your time to keep practicing all the words, all the phonic sounds from A to Z. Bye-bye everyone.